A noun is a naming word. Like, it can be the name of a person, place, places, or things. Common nouns are general. Proper noun, Max or Paris. Always capitalize proper noun. Let's look at more examples. This is a common noun, girl. Her proper name is Alice. A day is a common noun. Monday is a proper noun. A book is a common noun, but Treasure Island is a proper noun. The word country is a common noun, but Japan is a proper noun. A drink is a common noun, and cola is a proper noun. Here are more examples. A restaurant is a common noun. Burger King is a proper noun. A hero is a common noun, but Superman is a proper noun. Let's do some more. An app is a common noun, but ticked is a proper noun. A park is a common noun, but Yellowstone is a proper noun. Let's review what we have learned. Common nouns are general. Proper nouns are specific. You did a fantastic job! Let's play a quiz game. Is dog common or proper? It is common. How about London? Yes, it is proper. Great job! Thanks for watching. Like and don't forget to subscribe to the Learn Easy English Daily YouTube channel.